If you didn't catch the rush, here's what you missed.
Ryan Reynolds was looking into running a Super Bowl ad. You're Ryan Reynolds. You own a mobility company. Boom. It makes perfect sense, right? You're going to be under in the Super Bowl. People are going to want to be part of your company, right?
For the phone, not the gin.
Not the gin.
Not the gin.
He put the following announcement in the New York Times today. Some companies will spend over $5 million to advertise in a game so expensive, I can't even mention its name lest we summon its army of lawyers. As the owner of Mint Mobile, that's a hard no. Mint offers premium wireless service for just $15 a month. So we could literally give away 300,000 months of free service and still save money.
No.
So that's exactly what we're going to do.
That's brilliant.
Sign up for Mint Mobile after kickoff, and before the final whistle, get 3 months of Mint Mobile service free.
He's going to get all of those people.
Ryan Reynolds.
That's brilliant.
100%.
Because those people are going to stay with him.
They're going to stay.
And he's going to make money that way.
They're going to stay.
That's genius.
I know.
Why couldn't you have done that with the gin?
The Rush with Ryan and Jay. Weekday afternoons from 4 till 7. News Talk 1010.